video that we took the week we were at Slide Lake a few years ago. We came down, let's see, we came down somewhere over up that way into High Lake. And that's the lake that we're going to be spending 2 or 3 nights at. High Lake. I believe that's High Lake anyway. I sure hope it is. Gotta believe it is. This will be the trail. Then we go down and come up. We got to make about 3 trips today to get all of our stuff down there, maybe 4. You ready to go, Ronnie?
Yeah.
Might make 3 or 4 or 5.
Make 2.
2, huh? Okay.
Maybe 3.
Maybe 3. Of course, Strawberry Lake will be up over the top there. Well, let's get going.
Yeah. Let's not move around with the camera.
Turn around.
Huh?
Come up here and turn around. That's a pretty hefty load. Didn't take us but about 45 minutes to get here. It's all downhill. But now we got to make 17 more trips.
Move it.
Huh?
Move it. I don't want to keep moving.
All right. Yeah.
Here we are.
Here we are.
There's Norm with his 200 pounds. Look at that. I can't believe he made it.
And my 2 handbags. There's my handbags.
Oh, yeah. He had 2 handbags, too.
That's enough.
Big camera. Another big backpack.
This is High Lake, and just looking up here, I don't know if this was registering at all. Got a beautiful, beautiful cloud formation looking up over the rim. It's just gorgeous. Maybe you can see that now, the color. Get some blue and reddish up there. Well, we made 2 trips in. Got half a grocery store with us. And we're prepared to spend a year here. Probably only be able to stretch it to about 2 to 3 days, but I don't think we're going to get any great fishing, little dinky fishing here. Nothing big. Be lucky if we get enough for a meal, but it's all right. It's quiet. We're the only ones here. Tent back here for the night. It's a little dark. Kathleen listening to a little praise and worship music in there. We're going to have a toddy here before we go to sleep. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Well, we got a little fire going here, heating up some water for some coffee. Kathleen's going to mix us up some powdered milk. Oh, we didn't get all that good of a night's sleep. Boy, the wind blew. We had wind gusts all night long. As soon as the sun came up over the rise, wind has pretty much died out.
Taking an awful long time to heat. That's the only pot we have. To heat water in, for coffee, for dishwashing, for cleaning ourselves. And that's what took them so long, to get it hot. Tastes good now?
Yeah, good.
It's hot enough now?
Mountain Brewed. High Lake Mountain Brewed.
Good. You like this place?
Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful.
So peaceful.
I don't think there's hardly any large fish in here, just little babies.
Yeah.
So we'll have a hard time catching enough for trout dinner, but
Oh.
hopefully we'll be able to catch enough for a meal.
Yeah. We only need a few.
Yeah. We're gonna have to have about 80 of those for a meal.
Yeah. Look at that. It's a baby. What is that, a trout?
Yeah. Don't know what kind, cutthroat maybe?
Tiny.
Yeah.
Hope
probably
there's
maybe. But they're just babies here.
hope there's some bigger ones out there.
You got a zoom on that, honey?
Yeah, I'll figure it out here. There.
Oh,
Oh, isn't that a biggie?
humongous.
Huge.
My arms are so
Look
tight.
at that thing.
Man, it took me over an hour to land that thing.
Wow.
I gotta go get a little stringer. Kathleen's trying her hand at fishing. These little flowers here. Gorgeous. These little lavender yellow flowers. Well, she hooked one here. Monster. Monster fish.
Biggie. It's a biggie.
That's about one bite. Like I say, we got about 40 of those for a meal.
Poor thing. Hurry up, get him off.
Things are just,
There's got to be some bigger ones.
they're stunted, you know. No, I don't think there are. I think this is kind of like little strawberry, little slide where they're just so stunted there's not enough food.
I have a little compassion.
Well, we're just walking around the lake and a little bit of a brush pile here that we just negotiated. Kathleen walking the tightrope. Stew's a sizzling.
Gonna taste good. Smells good.
Can
This
we
is-
spit in there just to add a little flavor?
No, thanks.
Okay.
This is our
Throw a raw fish or two in there.
Friday noon lunch.
We could have a raw fish in there.
Actually, it's not noon. It's about 2:01 p.m. August 8, 1997. We're having Dinty Moore beef stew. Tonight we're going to have fresh fish. Fry 'em up.
Isn't that awesome? Putting on a show for us. Look at that. Putting on a show. They want something to eat. We got a couple apples. I know they'd like some apples.
I can see it anyway. Maybe you should just hang on.
Guys, we got apples. You give me apples. Toss it over there, bits and pieces. Yeah, bits and pieces. Hey guys, we got some apples. Almost hit her. What? Ooh, that's good. Yeah, I like delicious apples, she says. More. More. Here she comes. She likes that apple. Give her another one, honey. Isn't that awesome? God's putting on a show for us.